Are you looking for the best blender for bulletproof coffee? Bulletproof coffee enthusiasts rely on consistent, creamy froth and reliable blending performance to create a smooth, emulsified drink that maintains texture from first sip to the last. The 5 products in this comparison span handheld frothers, compact personal blenders, and portable cordless units, reflecting the spectrum of needs, from quick foam for a latte at home to on-the-go smoothies that still deliver a whipped.
Product number 1. Zulai Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother. Overview. The Milk Boss Frother is a battery-powered handheld wand designed for rapid microfoam and light whisking. It uses 2 AA batteries and includes a compact stainless steel whisk head rated at about 30 watts of power. It's positioned as a straightforward accessory to elevate at-home drinks without requiring a blender on the counter. Notable strengths include its ultra-simple form factor, accessible price point at $12.99, and the included AA batteries that eliminate charging concerns for immediate use. A key selling point is the minimal setup and the option to place it on a small stand, enabling quick access for foamy creamer and latte prep. Performance-wise, this wand excels at fast, dense microfoam for milk-based drinks, delivering a creamy head suitable for lattes and cappuccinos. However, its capability is limited to frothing and light mixing. It will not blend ice or blend larger ingredients. For bulletproof coffee specifically, it's ideal for applying a first-pass foam atop hot oil cream emulsions or whipping creamer into a silky foam. But users should not expect it to emulsify coffee beans or blend frozen ingredients. In terms of product number 2, Magic Bullet Blender. Overview. The Magic Bullet is a compact, corded blender with a 250-watt motor and a modular 11-piece set designed for single-serve blending, chopping, and whipping. It's the budget-friendly, all-purpose option among the group, capable of producing small batches of froth, emulsions, and light smoothies. It includes multiple cups, blades, and lids, making it versatile for quick bulletproof coffee experiments, such as blending a light fat emulsion with coffee or preparing a small foamy topping. Its 11-piece configuration adds value in terms of flexibility and storage efficiency, especially for users who want an all-in-one device without committing to a full-size blender. Performance-wise, the 250-watt motor is adequate for light blending tasks, but may struggle with ice or frozen ingredients, and may require shorter blend times to prevent overheating. For bulletproof coffee, it's suitable for emulsifying a small amount of butter or oil into a cup with coffee, or whipping small amounts of creamer, but it won't rival a dedicated milk frother for dense foam. Noise levels are typical for compact blenders, and cleanup is relatively straightforward given the dishwasher-safe cups. The set's versatility makes it a strong value option at $39.99, particularly for multi-purpose use beyond coffee. Product number 3. Usco Black Handheld Milk. Overview. The Usco Frother is a rechargeable handheld wand that ships with 3 whisk heads, balloon, hook, and spring, and offers 3 speed settings. Its standout feature is its USB rechargeable design and a 1500 mAh internal battery, which supports multiple uses before recharging and reduces ongoing battery costs. The inclusion of 3 whisk heads expands its utility beyond frothing to whisking eggs or mixing powders, which broadens its use case footprint beyond bulletproof coffee. At $19.99, it occupies a middle ground price bracket with a focus on versatility and battery-free operation during traditional uses. In practice, performance is solid for both foam creation and general mixing, with a reported 15 to 20 seconds to achieve creamy foam. The 3-speed control allows more control over texture, and the indicator light helps manage battery life. Real-world use shows it's capable of producing stable microfoam and emulsifying small volumes of creamer or oil into coffee, though it's not designed for heavy-duty blending or high-volume batches. The device's reliance on USB charging makes it convenient for daily use, but requires access to a USB source or charger. Cleaning is straightforward, and the detachable heads simplify maintenance.
Product number 4. Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. Overview.
The Ovente HS560R is a corded immersion blender with a 300W motor and 2 speeds, designed for direct immersion into pots or cups. It's a practical option for blending bulletproof coffee components in a cup or small pitcher, allowing quick emulsification of oil, butter, and coffee in a single motion. The stick blender format is inherently versatile for soups and emulsions, and the stainless steel blade ensures durability and a clean cut-through ingredients. Priced at $23.99, it sits as a capable mid-range option with added speed control via its 2-speed setting. Performance-wise, the adjustable speed with pulse capability helps tailor texture for bulletproof coffee, though the lack of a dedicated frothing head means it's not specialized for microfoam. Its ergonomic handle and detachable shaft improve user experience during quick froth and mix tasks. Cleaning is simplified by the detachable shaft and dishwasher-safe components, making it a low-maintenance choice for daily use. It's a strong choice for those who want an all-around hand blender that can handle a variety of.
Product number 5. Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable. Overview. The Ninja BC151BK is a premium portable blender with a 7.4-volt rechargeable base and a single 18-ounce vessel. It emphasizes portability and cordless convenience while delivering Ninja's blending technology, including a dedicated blade design, blast blade, and a sip-through lid. It's ideal for users who want a high-quality, on-the-go option that can handle ice and frozen ingredients in small portions. At $49.99, it sits at the premium end of the set and includes USB-C charging compatibility and a dishwasher-safe vessel. In practice, the Blast technology creates a strong vortex that handles ice and frozen fruits with relative ease for an 18-ounce batch. The separate power and blend buttons reduce accidental activation, and the vessel's BPA-free construction supports safe daily use. Maintenance is straightforward with self-cleaning capabilities through a 30-second blend cycle. The main trade-offs are the single-speed operation and the smaller capacity relative to full-size blenders. But for travel, gym, or office use, the Ninja BC151BK offers a compelling blend of power, portability, and ease of